Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys an old video of mine which I uploaded at this time of last year. But maybe because back to that time I only had like 40 subscribers or something, so the views are not that many, but I really want you guys to watch it because I think it was really good. So if you haven't watched it yet, please enjoy, and if you have watched it, please enjoy again. Hello, welcome to 说说 Chinese, 说说中文. I'm Shuo. Today we're going to talk about how to pronounce the Chinese names of 20 famous brands. A very annoying or interesting thing in China is that we translate literally everything into Chinese. You can barely see an English word when you are in China. I mean, now I'm living in Thailand. In Thai, for example, computer in Thai is computer, but in Chinese is 电脑. ATM in Thai is ATM. In Chinese is 自动取款机. Adapter, like the adapter of the computer or TV, in Thai is adapter. In Chinese is 电源适配器. If you don't know the Chinese name, there's no way that you can guess from its pronunciation. So in this video, I will list 8 brand names from the easiest to the hardest, and I will put the rest at the end of the video with both the Thai pronunciation and the Chinese pronunciations. Tell me in the comment how many you've guessed correctly. Are you ready? Let's get it started. Well, I told you this is the easiest one. 苹果 means apple. 手机 is phone. 苹果手机 is an Apple phone or iPhone. Sometimes we can just say 我的手机坏了，我想买个苹果. It doesn't mean that you want to buy an apple, but you want to buy an iPhone. 哎，女儿，你就要生日啦，我到时候送一个苹果给你啊。真的吗？你太好了，妈妈，谢谢你。
3 days later.
啊，送你一个苹果，生日快乐，女儿。So now I have a question for you guys. Can you tell me how to say Apple Company, MacBook, and iWatch? Tell me in the comment down below. Well, still not difficult, isn't that? 汉堡 means hamburger. Wáng is king. So 汉堡王 is, right, McDonald. 汉堡王 is Burger King. 肯德基. If you haven't heard this name before, you may not know what is this. 肯德基 is KFC. And 肯德基 is actually the Chinese translation of the name of the state, Kentucky. So we didn't translate the fried chicken, F and C in the Chinese name at all. 可口可乐. This one is not difficult, but I put it here because I really like the translation. 可口可乐 is Coca-Cola. 可口 means delicious. So it's delicious cola. And also, the word 可 in 可乐 has the meaning be worth to. And 乐 as in 祝你生日快乐. 乐 means happy. 可乐 worth to be happy. 可口可乐 it's delicious and worth to be happy. So does 可口可乐's rival, Pepsi. The Chinese name of Pepsi is 百事可乐. 百 means hundreds. 事 means things. 可乐 worth to be happy. 百事可乐 there are 100 things worth to be happy for, and Pepsi is one of them. Wonderful name, isn't it? 宜家. Yes, IKEA. Let's see the literal meaning. 宜 means be good for. 家 is family or house. 宜家 IKEA is good for your family, it's good for your house. I bet it is. 乐高. It is Yes, Lego. Let's see the literal meaning again. Le means happy. Gao is high or tall. When you are high, you are happy. When you are high, you are happy. I think it makes sense. But le gao is more like the higher, the happier. 任天堂. It's a Japanese game company. Yes, it's Nintendo. 任 means to give free rein to. 天堂 means paradise. When you are playing games from Nintendo and you can feel free in the paradise. 宝马. Well, I think this one is a little bit difficult for you to guess, so I will give you some clues. The first one is the literal meaning. 宝 means treasure. 马 is horse. 宝马 is a treasured horse. And 宝马 is the name of an automobile company. Yes, 宝马 is Bayerische Motorenwerke AG or BMW. Let's see another similar brand name. 奔驰. Yes, you may have guessed it right. 奔驰 is Benz. It literally means horses galloping in the open country. Wow, I love Chinese. Alright, how many you've got them correctly? Tell me in the comment down below. Samsung, Samsung, 三星 Mcdonald, McDonald, 麦当劳 Starbucks, Starbucks, 星巴克 Nike, Nike, 耐克 Adidas, Adidas, 阿迪达斯 MUJI, MUJI, 无印良品 Uniqlo, Uniqlo, 优衣库 Marlboro, Marlboro, 万宝路 L'Oréal Paris, L'Oréal Paris, 巴黎欧莱雅。Alright, this is all the content of today. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will upload interesting and useful videos about Chinese language and Chinese culture every week. And if you have any ideas or suggestions, please give me a comment down below. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. 再见。